I want to welcome you to my website, pennies2thousands.com. It is a lot of good information on this site. I just want to kind of give you guys a, kind of a brief tutorial of what's on this site, what I'm offering, things like that to better help you guys make money. Okay, so you'll see here, we're on the home page, pennies2thousands.com. My slogan, every penny counts. Every penny that you make adds up to a bigger amount, honestly. You just continue to add up any money that you can get and just make it, into a big income. You see, you have these pictures here to kind of give you a visual of it. Scrolling down even further, there is me. So you can see I'm a real person. I'm not some internet guru. I'm just a guy that's been on YouTube for a little while. And I've been showing people how to make money, but now I'm to the point where, I wanted to take it a step further. So bringing you this website was important to me because I feel like it really explains everything in my YouTube is designed to do. My YouTube is giving you more of an in-depth view of like each site and each app that I make money with. But this website is just, really kind of putting a stamp on all of that. So here's just kind of a brief about me, of what my website is about. And you can definitely take the time to read it. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see here I have my YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe to it if you're not already. That way you can continue to see what I'm doing. I make daily videos on how to make money. So now you'll see here we're going to this Get Paid To Sites tab. This is where a lot of my sites are that I make money with. You see here I have over 40 websites that are all free. And you just sign up with them by clicking the banner. I have kind of a brief caption for each one of them and just kind of give you an idea how many there are. Just kind of just scrolling down, lots of different sites, guys, and all of these are free. You're getting paid to take surveys. You're getting paid to do free offers. You're getting paid to click on ads. Getting paid to watch videos. I mean, there's a number of things you can do here, and lots of different sites. They all pretty much offer different things, but the thing is, you can, make so much money with it. And the thing here, you want to make even more money. I have even more sites for you, and a lot of these sites they will actually give you disqualification points because a lot of people struggle with surveys. So the thing is, you can still make money while disqualifying. That's what's interesting and really good about it. So definitely take a look at these sites if you want to make even more money. Like I said, it's still captions on them, of kind of what you can do. But again, just really giving you guys lots of different sites, lots of different options, and I guarantee you that if you're using all of these sites, the way they're supposed to be used, you can make a good amount of money. All right, so now I'm going to this money making apps tab. Now these are apps that you can download on your phone or your tablet and make money on the go. Just simple things you can do right here. This app right here, Coin. Now all you're doing is taking pictures of receipts. I mean, it's just that simple, and you're going to get credited. If you want to see proof of that, I have countless videos on this app. I mean, just look at the other ones. I bought a big token. I have so many apps that are all free, make money doing different things. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I kind of give you a brief caption of each of what they do. I'm telling you, making money on the go, it really will help you. You know what I'm saying? So of course you're using these get paid to sites when you're, in a stationary, and when you're at home, whatever, stationary site, but making money on the go with your phone and tablet, even better. You know what I'm saying? Just when you're out doing random things, take a look at these apps. So this last tab, book a session. This is probably one of the best things that I'm offering here because I'm gonna click on the tab, booking a session. I can show you guys how to make $150 a day. And right here, that's basically this video. That's what I'm kind of showing you and telling you in this video. It's about 5 minutes long, so definitely watch the video when you get a chance. I can show you how to make $150 a day. A lot of people ask me on my YouTube channel, my comments, how much money do you make a day? What sites do you use? Blah, blah, blah. And I can tell you all of that and show you all of that in a session. You know what I'm saying? I'm making over $150 a day guaranteed, and I can show you how to do the exact same thing. And the thing about it is like this system that I'm doing is like I can cater it to work best for you because there are people that are good at taking surveys, people that are not good at taking surveys, people that have a lot of time on their hands, people that don't have a lot of time on their hands. Whatever the case is for you, I can show you how to make money. And I'm only charging $75 one-time fee. If it seems like a lot, don't worry about taking money out of your pocket because that's what these get paid to sites and these money making apps are going to do for you. Make money on these, and eventually you're going to get to the point where you're making, good amount of money, and you can save up to get this $75, and you can make even more money because when you're making $150 a day, you're gonna be making $4,500 a month. So really, charging you $75 is not a steep price, even though it may seem like that at first. When you really get the information that I'm giving you, you'll take off with it. I guarantee you. I've tested this on a few of my friends, and all of them are making this money, so I know it works. It will definitely work for you. So definitely look at the book a session tab. All you're doing here is filling out your name, first name only. You don't have to worry about the last name, the email, and tell me what your financial goals are with making money online. Just submit that to me. I'll get back to you within the next 24 hours, and we can go from there and show you how to make $150 a day. So, again, I want to thank you guys for coming to my website. It's been a lot of hard work behind the scenes creating this website. It is finally here. Of course, I'm going to continue to add and improve to this website, but I felt like it was very important to make it to really get it out to all those people who are trying to make money, which there are a lot of people. I'm just trying to make this, pennies to thousands, a bigger brand, continuing to improve, continuing to show you guys how to make money. So again, thank you for coming to the website. Really enjoy, search through it, get started on these apps, these, the sites, all that kind of good stuff. Get started making money online. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. My email here is at the bottom of every page, pennies1000@gmail.com. Get in touch with me. I'll respond to your email within the next 24 hours. And again, I'm just so grateful and thanking you guys. So get started making money with these sites today. And you know my slogan, every penny counts.